In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store keeps loading after iOS 17 update. If your App Store just spins or won't open properly after updating, don't worry, follow along and we'll get it working again. First, let's make sure your internet connection is solid. Open a website you don't have cached, something you haven't visited today, or try streaming a short video to confirm data is flowing. If the page stutters or the video buffers, your connection might be the culprit. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or confirm that cellular data is enabled. If you're already connected and it still seems flaky, try moving closer to your router or switching to a stronger network before testing the App Store again. If the App Store is still stuck, switch your connection. If you're on Wi Fi, turn on mobile data and try again. If you're on mobile data, hop onto a trusted Wi Fi network, then reopen the App Store and see if it loads properly. This simple switch often clears temporary network handoffs that confuse the App Store. Next, check screen time settings because restrictions can quietly block the store. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is on, turn it off for now. This doesn't remove your screen time data, it just disables the filters so we can test. Head back to the App Store and see if it opens normally. If you rely on cellular data, make sure the App Store is allowed to use it. Open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, then scroll down and confirm the App Store toggle is on. If it's off, the store can't load anything when you're not on Wi Fi. Now enable background app refresh so the App Store can fetch content correctly. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Background App Refresh, tap it again at the top, and choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. This lets the App Store update listings and assets more reliably. Still stuck? Reset all settings to clear system-level glitches without erasing your content. Open Settings, tap General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This won't delete photos or apps, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords, network settings, and preferences, so you may need to reconfigure a few options afterward. Finally, restart your iPhone and open the App Store again. In most cases, the loading issue is resolved by this point. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.